Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we provide you with the most detailed, honest, and straight-to-the-point product reviews. Today, we're looking at the BLACK+DECKER Cordless Lithium Handheld Power Vacuum with wall mount base and charger. A handy little device that promises to tackle quick cleanups around the house. This compact vacuum is lightweight, cordless, and designed to make those small cleaning tasks a breeze. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The BLACK+DECKER Cordless Lithium Handheld Power Vacuum is a bagless model with a translucent dirt bowl that holds up to 12.5 ounces of debris. This design aims to make maintenance easier. Simply dump the contents into the trash without worrying about disposable bags. The included built-in crevice tool ensures you can reach tight spots like corners or between couch cushions, while the upholstery brush allows you to clean fabric surfaces and dust more effectively. With a wall mount base for both storage and charging, it's all about convenience. The vacuum is powered by a 2AR lithium-ion battery, which, according to the specs, provides just enough juice for quick jobs, but it's important to see how this translates into real-world use. It's designed to be ultra-portable, lightweight, and perfect for quick pickups around the house. Ideal for those moments when you need to handle dry spills, pet hair, or dust without pulling out a full-sized vacuum. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? The compact size and the built-in crevice tool make it a dream for cleaning tricky areas, like under furniture or between appliances. The lightweight nature of the vacuum ensures that you can easily maneuver it with one hand, making it a great option for quick touch-ups without the hassle of lugging around a bigger machine. Whether it's crumbs on the kitchen counter, pet hair on the couch, or dust on shelves, this little handheld vacuum can get the job done without breaking a sweat. In terms of suction power, this handheld vacuum performs decently for quick jobs, but don't expect it to compete with larger, more powerful vacuums when it comes to deep cleaning or heavy-duty tasks. It's ideal for light cleaning, not for high-traffic areas or carpets that need serious suction. The 2AR lithium-ion battery provides enough runtime for smaller tasks, but if you're dealing with bigger messes, you might find yourself needing to recharge sooner than you'd like. The noise levels are relatively low, making it a nice option if you're sensitive to the hum of vacuums. However, being a handheld model, it's not as quiet as robot vacuums, but it's definitely quieter than full-sized vacuums. The overall build feels sturdy, though the plastic body isn't the most premium you'll come across. It's durable enough for everyday use, but it's not a heavy-duty machine built to last for years of intense cleaning. The dirt bowl empties easily with a simple button press, and while it's not massive in capacity, it's enough for short cleaning sessions around the house before needing to be emptied. Maintenance is straightforward, with the main task being cleaning the filter every so often, especially after heavier usage. Now let's talk about value for money. The BLACK+DECKER Cordless Lithium Handheld Vacuum is priced in the lower range for handheld vacuums, which makes it a strong contender if you're looking for something affordable but reliable for light tasks. However, it won't replace a traditional vacuum for deep cleaning or large areas, so it's best suited for quick touch-ups. If you're after something versatile with a bit more power, you might want to consider other options that offer higher suction power and larger dirt capacities. When compared to other handhelds in the same category, like the Dyson Micro or even other BLACK+DECKER models, it holds up well for the price, but lacks the power and runtime of higher-end alternatives. However, in this price range, it does a great job of offering portability and ease of use, with the added bonus of the wall mount base for charging and storage. Build quality is solid for the price point, though not exceptional. The vacuum's plastic construction is functional but not premium, and while the lightweight design makes it easy to use, it also means the vacuum could feel a little flimsy to some. It's not a vacuum that's built for heavy-duty or long-term use, but it does a good job for the tasks it's meant for. Maintaining it is fairly simple. Emptying the dirt bowl is mess-free, and cleaning the brush head and filter requires minimal effort. Customer support for BLACK+DECKER is generally positive, with a reputation for handling warranty claims and providing assistance when needed. You can expect reasonable response times and helpful solutions should any issues arise with your vacuum. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER Cordless Lithium Handheld Power Vacuum is a fantastic option for quick, lightweight cleanups. It excels in handling dry messes like crumbs, dust, and pet hair, particularly in tight spaces. If you're someone who needs a vacuum for quick touch-ups rather than full house cleanings, it's a great choice. However, if you're looking for more suction power, longer battery life, or a more durable build, you might want to explore some other models in the market. For its price, though, it does a solid job, offering good value for everyday tasks. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more honest reviews right here at Reviewsinsidetv. Have questions or own this vacuum yourself? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching, and as always, clean up that mess, but do it with style. Goodbye till next time.